grow spinach hydroponically? If you want to grow spinach hydroponically, then how you can start it? And what are the different systems of hydroponic you can use for growing the spinach? All that information coming up in this video. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video I am going to discuss in detail about growing spinach into different hydroponic systems. We will also discuss about what all different systems we can use for growing the spinach successfully. After that, we will know about how to start spinach plant for the hydroponic system. And once we prepare the plant, how to transplant it and then how to manage the nutrient so that we get the maximum of the output. All that information is coming up into this video. But to cover all this, it will take a lot of time and it will be difficult to manage it into one video. So we will do it in a part wise. So I will distribute it into 3 to 4 parts for growing the spinach into hydroponic system. Today in this first part, we will discuss about all the different systems where we can grow the spinach and the starting of the spinach seed for the hydroponic system. Friends, spinach can be grown from its seeds. Its seeds are fairly big. You can see this. These are the big seeds and these are fairly big seeds. So even if you want to sow it directly, we can do it. Now, normally for hydroponic system, we must prepare the nursery of the spinach plant and then transplant to our required system. Now, nursery can be made with the 3 different systems. First, we can prepare the nursery directly into the net cups. For that, we are going to use this type of net cup where we fill this net cup fully with the coco peat, moist coco peat, and put 2 to 3 seeds into this net cup filled with the coco peat. Regular watering it. After a few days, the seed will germinate. We will keep one strong seed, remove remaining seeds, and then we can transfer this pot to the system. This is one of the most easiest and simplest method where we need not to put any extra effort and we can still get the spinach plant for our hydroponic system. But we are not going to use this system as we are not going to sow the spinach into the coco peat. Now the second system we can use is Oasis Grow Cubes. Oasis Grow Cube is a media where you can put directly the spinach seed into the given hole, keep on regular watering, and once the plant develops its roots and develops its 2 to 3 leaves, then you can dismantle those blocks and put it all that block into this net cup and later on transplant to our required system. This is also a simple system, but it is little costly. The Oasis cubes are costly. As we are not going to use any of the coco peat for our system, so we are going to raise the nursery with the small coco peat bucket or the tray or any other vessel. This is how, once the plants are ready with the 3 to 4 leaves, we are going to transfer those plants with the help of this sponge into this net cup. We will put this plant into this net sponge, we will hold it and put it in this cup so the plant will get the grip and then we can shift it to our any of the system. So this is the 3 methods you can follow to start the spinach seed. If you are going to sow it in a coco peat media bed or the grow bed, you can sow it directly. Now we are going to discuss about the different system where we can grow the spinach successfully. So first of all, the basic hydroponic system, a deep water culture system, is the simplest method where you can grow the spinach. Even a home gardener can start growing spinach at home with a small bucket, making some hole and arranging some net cup and grow the spinach at home very easily with the bucket. But for growing the spinach, you must use minimum 5 liter bucket so that spinach can finish its whole life cycle. So this is the most simple method for growing the spinach hydroponically. Second method is NFT and DFT. These two methods are the most used commercial method for growing the spinach hydroponically. In NFT, there is a flat pipe of around 100 millimeter wide and 40 to 50 millimeter height. We can grow many leafy crop into that system very easily. But growing spinach in that system is little catchy, because when the spinach grows vigorously, it will develop the very huge root mass, and that root mass may clog the system of the NFT. So NFT is good, but it has some limitations. So instead of that, we can use the DFT system. So in DFT system, we are using this pipe, 4-inch pipe. So the spinach root will get the enough of the space for growing. And this system also give good water supply to the spinach roots. And that is how we will get the very good yield. Again, in DFT system, we will get little extra space for growing this spinach plant. So our yield will also be the little higher. So DFT is the most suitable system. Apart from this, we can grow spinach into any of the media based system, whether the media is coco peat, clay balls, gravel, sand, anything. But the only limitation is in that system is we cannot maintain the number of plants per square feet, and that is how we can lose some of the output. Also, in any of the soilless system, the spinach plant will not deliver the leaf as fast as any of the water based system. So it is preferred that instead of growing spinach into any media, we can grow it into the pure hydroponic system, which is water based. We can also grow spinach into the Dutch bucket system, where we can use the media clay balls, perlite, vermiculite, etc. and grow the spinach. Nowadays, spinach can be grown with the aeroponic system also successfully. So these are all the systems where we can grow the spinach successfully. Now, for starting the spinach, as I explained you, we first need to make the nursery. That will we see into the next part, how to prepare the nursery, and later on we will see how to transplant it and manage the nutrient. So friends, if you are also interested in growing spinach hydroponically, then make all your preparation, and if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and put the bell notification button on, so that whenever I put the new update on growing hydroponically, you will get it and you can follow it and grow it with me successfully, all the hydroponic vegetables. Happy growing!